Now we're going to talk about how to meet unlimited prospects online using the C.L.A.M formula. Now this is the cool part, because online and social media has made it so easy to meet unlimited prospects, okay? You can meet anyone, anywhere nowadays. Now, here's the C.L.A.M formula. You can use it for Instagram hashtags or Facebook groups. You can use it for LinkedIn as well, but I just put Instagram, Facebook, because those are the most common ones, most popular ones. Now, which other Facebook groups or hashtags should you follow or join? The best ones are, what are your interests and hobbies? Those are the best places to meet new friends. Why? Because it's easy to start a conversation. Right? Because this is something like, if you like baseball, then it's easy to go to the baseball group and start talking about it. If you like sewing and knitting, that's easy. If you like astrology, it's easy to go there and talk to someone. And the relationships you meet there are way more genuine. And especially if you're new. If you're new, you go to a business group. If you're like me, when I first started, I didn't know how to start a business conversation. I didn't know how to talk to other entrepreneurs. Now I know now, but this is after over 15 years of experience. But when I first started, it's difficult. And a lot of those business groups, everyone has an agenda already. Right? They are on in the business group to network and what? To really just sell their stuff. And a lot of times they're not genuine relationships. But in the interest group or hobby group, so you say, I'm using an example, you like running, right? You like jogging. People there, they're out there to meet new friends, meet running friends. They want to share about their passion. It's way easier for you to connect with them if you like running as well. And here's another thing, even if you don't join the business, it's cool because you are okay to meet someone that has the same interest and passion. You still have things to talk about. And we're going to talk about this in the follow-up section, where most people are not going to join right away anyway, right? But you can easily still maintain that relationship if you're talking to someone that has a similar interest and hobby. So how does C.L.A.M work? It's very simple. C.L.A.M. Comment, like, add message. So just say you go to a Facebook group, someone posted something about running. You comment on them, right? You comment, say, hey, that was an awesome picture. You like their post, and you can add them as a friend, and you message them. So, and maybe you want to send them comments. Hey, is it okay we connect as friends? I'd love to connect with you. You add them as a friend, and then you send them a message. You start building that relationship right there. Same thing with hashtags. Okay, same thing. If you go to a hashtag, you follow something, just say you hashtag, like, for me, youth baseball. I love youth baseball. My kids, literally, youth baseball. I find someone posted a video of a kid. I'm like, wow, that is awesome. That's awesome. That's amazing what your son has done. I will, give them a heart. I'll add, and I'll follow them. I can follow the person back. So on Instagram, you follow instead of add them as a friend. And I'll send them a direct message like, hey, how long has your son been playing baseball? That was an awesome video you sent. Now remember, when you comment and like, everyone likes comments and likes. Right? When we post something, we get excited when someone comments and likes. We check out who's commenting and liking. This is a great way to meet unlimited prospects online. And I want to add one more thing is you got to have a goal, like you want to collect friends. If you feel that I'm just going to use this to hunt and find prospects, you may not feel good about it, and people can sense that. But if you find, hey, I'm here just to meet new friends, it's so easy to meet new friends, and people can sense that, and you feel better about it, and people get attracted to you. And you know what? If it's your interest, it should be easy because it's something you like to do anyway, right? And you're something you can talk on and on and on forever. Even if they don't join, you can become friends. And I'm going to share with you later in the follow-up that everyone in their life is either going to be a customer, be a distributor, or give you a referral. Right, the longer you stay in, it gets easier and easier and easier. And so this is an awesome way to be building your business every single day. So if you use C.L.A.M, you will never run out of prospects. Remember, comment, like, add message. Go find a couple groups or hashtags of your interest, your hobbies, and go out there and meet new friends. And you can have a ton of fun doing it as well.